Hi, this is Donna and Andrew from Cottage Toys. The boat show is about planning your summer fun. We love to talk fun on the water, so come in and join us at the Cottage Toys booth.
We are your one-stop water sports shop, from trainer skis, water trampolines, paddleboards, kayaks, and the amazing Hobie Eclipse board, and tons more.
Don't miss an ounce of summer. Inventories are limited. Book now and take advantage of our expertise and knowledge at the show or 24/7 at cottagetoys.com. Serious about fun, and we have dockside delivery.